Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing another subscription box, and this is from Latest and Beauty. So I chose this product in the month of May, so last month, but I just received this box today. And yes, so if you want to see what products I choose, just keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, lovelies, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And if you're ready to subscribe, lovelies, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. Today I show you what I choose in my Latest and Beauty. So if you're new to this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £12.95 plus the shipping fee, which is £3.95 a month, and you can choose 6 products in their beauty counter. After 3 months, I think it's in the 3rd or 4th payment, you will have free delivery, and it will cost you only £12.95 because you will become a LOVELIB Pro, which is you will have free delivery and 15% off in their collection boxes. So yes, all the infos always will be in the description box below. And as I said, lovelies, you will choose 6 products, but I choose this product last month, which is at the end of the May, because I have my renewal date, which is 25th. Yes, that's another thing about the subscription box, that it will take you the money on the day you subscribe. So it means if you subscribe on the 25th like me, they will take you money every 25th, and you can choose only the products on the 25th, but you can get another box during that time, so you can get only one for subscription box and another box. I don't know if I explained it properly, but will be in the description box below. So I think I will receive another product because I use code, which is the Pro Gift one, Pro Gift May, I think, and you will receive a free gift. So yes, let's see the product that I choose. I'm so excited for this this box because I just really good products in my opinion. So the first one we have, and this one I'm so excited to try. I chose the 2 scents that they are available, and this is the Bougie Lounge Fairy Drops, the Bougie Butt Whip. I chose the Fairy Drops and the Arabian Mermaid, and they smell gorgeous, lovely. They smell sweet, but that overpowering sweet scent. And oh my goodness, this smells like sweets, like the gummies one, and they are gorgeous. Can you see the sparkling one? And it's so gorgeous. And this is the Fairy Drops, and the other one is the Arabian Mermaid. Look at this color. This one is quite different scent. It's more subtle like scent, but yeah, I love it. And it doesn't say, as always, Latest and Beauty, they don't give any leaflet, but I always do a lineup spoiler of these products of the subscription box, so I'll pop on the top here if you are interested. So yes, I choose these 2, and they are gorgeous, and the smell is nice. I love the smell. And then I choose again this one from Sensory Retreats, Amor Eyes Self-Heating Eye Mask, because I do love them. I really do love them. If you suffer from migraine like me, this is really a good one. You just need to pop up this one and just relax and sleep, and then you will be fine. We have only 1 mask inside. It's just 1 use, sadly, but yes, I love this. And then the other product that I choose is from Nav Stuff, because I heard really good reviews about this product. There was 2 scents available, which is I think the first one was the pink one. I don't remember. Cherry one, I think. But I choose the lavender one. It has 1.8 ml. I know this is a full size. and it looks like this inside. I never heard from this brand. This is a cuticle oil pen. I didn't see before, and it's like this. It's like a brush one. You just need to apply it in your cuticle, and yes, can't wait to try it. As I said, I just heard good reviews about this product, and this is a vegan and cruelty free brand too, so yes, can't wait to try it. The other product that I choose is this from Grow Gorgeous, the Balance Fiber Sealing Split Ends Treatment. It has 30 ml. When I am doing the lineup products of this product here, and I just read the description one, I'm so curious to try it. And here it says, rub a small amount between the palms of your hands, work through the mid-lengths and ends of the hair, paying close attention to the ends, add more if required, style as usual, wash hands after use. So yes, I never tried something from Grow Gorgeous. I know I saw this one a lot, but never tried it. It has the seed, so I leave it. So yes, I will try this one, then I'll let you know, lovelies. And the other product that I'm so curious to try, and this is from Smug Lavender Pillow Spray. If you don't remember, Smug, they usually have the mask, eye mask one to sleep, but they are really nice material. They have also the lavender pillow spray, and you know, if you follow me a while, I love lavender pillow spray. They help me to relax, they help me to sleep. So yes, I choose this one. And it says, spray onto your pillows and bed linen before sleep and totally transform your sleeping environment. And it looks like the inside. Let's smell it, lovelies. It's just smells like lavender. I love the lavender scent, and it's not really overpowering lavender scent. So yes, can't wait to try it. So that's the 6th product that I choose. The free one that I received, that it's really a nice product, but I received this one last month in my glossy box, and this is the Roja Dragon's Blood Lip Mask, Hydrate and Tone. Yes, this is really a good product. I really enjoy using this product, so I'm really glad that I received this. So yeah, that's all, lovelies, as you can see. So for free gift, I received the Roja Dragon's Blood Lip Mask, the Hydrate and Tone. The products that I choose is from Smug. The first one is from Smug Lavender Pillow Spray, which is I'm really curious to try. I love this lavender scent. It relaxes me, it helps me to relax. So yes, glad that I got this one. And then the Grow Gorgeous Balance Fiber Sealing Split Ends Treatment, 30 ml, perfect travel size. Yes, I never tried from this one before, so yes, I will try it. And then the Sensory Armor Eyes. I love this product, that's why I choose again. And yes, if you have migraine, I highly recommend to try this one. And then the other product that I choose is Nuff Stuff Cuticle Oil Pen Lavender. Curious to try. I heard good reviews about this product, so I will try it. And then the last 2 product that I choose is from the Bougie Lounge, the Fairy Drops and the Arabian Mermaid. They are gorgeous, they smell gorgeous. Can't wait to try them. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. And new lovelies, what products did you choose in your latest in beauty? And I know, lovelies, that this month when I did my line of products, loads of you like the products that we will see in the beauty counter for this month. So yes, me too, I'm really excited. Loads of product I want to try. I think it will be 2 bucks for this month too. So yes, that's all, lovelies, for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing subscription boxes, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye.